This is Denise unwrapping Star's leg. I wish you could smell it.
Oh, it's delicious.
Oh yeah.
It's a lot better than it used to be.
She's such a good girl.
Yeah, sweetie.
Oh man.
Layers and layers of bandage.
Ugh, what a smell.
All right.
She's so
Look
good.
at it do come out. That's how much it's drained. This is all drainage from the wound.
Ah.
It's saturated completely.
Oh my God.